That's a C. That's a C too. I'm lucky that I was given the gift of what's called perfect pitch. That's an F. It's a technical term that means if you ask me to sing any note on the musical scale, offhand, I can do it. I can find it. There hasn't been a lot of time in my life that I haven't been participating in music in some sort of organized way. I made the decision not to participate in choir last semester. I realized after that semester that I needed it, that I was missing it, that it was, something that I didn't want to be without. I was diagnosed at the age of 10 months with cerebral palsy. A lot of people assume that my physical limitations also mean that mentally, cognitively, I'm also impaired. I would hope that after talking to me for a few minutes, whatever preconceived notions they might have had about me would go away in that conversation. But I think when and if they realize that I'm a singer, that kind of changes their perception even more of, the extent of what a person with a disability can do, and that is, limitless, obviously. When I was in 8th grade, I wrote this song, and if nothing else, my years of music have really helped me to understand,
music is life,
just how beautiful the world can be if you put a soundtrack behind it.
It's one of God's gifts that keeps on giving, takes you above, lets you fly like a dove. Most of all, music is love.